Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to speak English with a Khmer accent. And here to help us, all the way from Cambodia, my friend Soka. Soka, how are you? I'm really glad to be here. I'm from Cambodia. Let's get into it. When speaking with a Khmer accent, the resonance is generally in the back of the mouth, and the tongue is in the lowered position. Don't forget to relax the tongue and the lips. That's right. Let's talk tone and rhythm. Khmer is a tonal language, so when you're speaking, it's got a sing-song quality to it. Yes, we go up and down when we talk. That's cool. The reason being, some syllables are emphasized more than others, giving it a sing-song quality. I really love to learn about physiology. Let's talk about consonants. When speaking with a Khmer accent, consonants are often softened, especially at the end of a word. And in some cases, consonants are swapped. For instance, the R and the L. I might say right. Soka might say light. Hey, where are you, Soka? I light here. See that? The R was softened into an L. Let's talk vowels now. Vowels are elongated quite often with the Khmer accent, and often an ah sound is introduced in between two consonants. For instance, school might sound like shakul. Sometimes the S becomes an SH. Hey, I'd love some soup. Hey, I'd love some soup. There it is. Have I ever told you, Soka? You're so smart. That is because I go to school. Let's talk about word endings when consonants are dropped. For instance, fast becomes fast. He runs very fast. He runs very fast. Want. I want to go fast. I want to go fast. Red. Lead. Really. Lily? I really like the color red. I really like the color red. Strong. Strong. Smile. Smile. Smile and stay strong. Smile and stay strong. Where are you going? Where are you going? The Khmer accent doesn't have the TH sound. It's often replaced with a D or a T. Think. Think. This. This. Khmer is a syllable-timed language, whereas Standard American English is a stress-timed language. That means when you're speaking with a Khmer accent, each syllable gets equal stress. Let me give you a couple words. Computer. Computer. Vegetable. Vegetable. Now in the case of vegetable, that's a tough one to pronounce. So if you're speaking it with a Khmer accent, you might eliminate some of the extra syllables to make it easier. Vegetable. 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 See? When I say America, the stress tends to go on the mer portion. Whereas if I say it with a Khmer accent, it's going to be even. And it's going to sound like America, 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 America. You get the idea. Vegetable. In Standard American English, when we ask a question, we have a rising pitch at the end of it. For instance, are you coming? You coming. No rising tone. You coming? You coming. No, I'm not. You coming. No. You coming. No. Okay, fine. All right, let's practice with 3 sentences. I'll say the sentence, and then you say it, and then we'll have Soka say it to see how you did. I really want to go to school. I really want to go to school. We are strong when we work together. We strong when we work together. Where are you going? Where are you going? Listen to the melody. Soften those endings. And don't forget the extra vowels. There you go. As you do further research, you're going to realize that the Khmer accent is very warm and friendly. Yes, we like to smile a lot and our speech sound friendly. So friendly. Now get out there and get to learning. Watch YouTube videos, interviews, vlogs. If you encounter native speakers, even better. Soka, thanks for joining us. Thank you. I hope you really enjoy. If you had fun today, subscribe. Make a comment. I want to know what accent you want to learn next. And of course, always stay curious. Keep practicing. And remember, I love you. I love you too.